Hello everyone. Windows 11 has many menus, but there is one specifically designed to save you time. In this video, I will show you how to use the Power User menu to access your system tools instantly. To open it, simply press the Windows key plus X on your keyboard or right-click the Start button. This opens a list of the most important settings on your PC. If your computer feels slow or an app isn't responding, you can jump straight to the Task Manager here. It's the best way to see what's happening behind the scenes. If you need to uninstall software to free up disk space, click Installed Apps. This takes you directly to the list where you can manage your programs. Simply click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Then confirm your choice. In less than a minute, the application is removed. You can also access the Device Manager for hardware issues, or open the terminal if you need to run PowerShell commands. It's much faster than searching the Start menu. Pro tip: if you want to shut down quickly, press Windows plus X, then tap the U button twice. It's a small shortcut that saves you a couple of clicks in your daily routine. Learning these shortcuts is a great way to take control of your computer and save time. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to Libretechia for more reachable tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.